still not doing it.
That's good. Don't touch.
Lisa.
Lise.
Lisa.
Lisa Catterton.
Does she know what that does?
What?
Are you taking a picture where she's looking away
Oh,
from
I
you?
don't know. I don't
Hi,
think
Lisa. Hi, Lisa. Where's Lisa? Where's Lisa?
so. Lisa, where's Grandpa? Lise, where's Grandpa? Where's Jenna?
Oh.
Where's Jenna?
Mom, you should have brought those pants in my boy.
Hi, Lisa.
Because not right now because you're not in the pool.
Lise, where's Jenna? Where's Jenna?
Mom,
She's
you're not in
swimming.
the pool. Mommy,
What, honey?
remember, you're not in the pool. You have to bring your clothes home.
All right.
We're in the pool right now.
Lise. Lise, you're a
Better.
funny girl. Hi, Jen. Show me how long you can stay up.
What?
Show how long you can stay up.
And you have to come in if I'm going to.
I can go take a shower.
Okay. Here's a pan of the farm.
If you come in after you do this, then Mom, you
And
said
there's
you love
Lise.
children,
She doesn't
and
want to
you're
go
not going
swimming, do you?
Swimming!
She doesn't want to go swimming.
You
We're
better
going to go see
swimming.
Grandma pretty soon.
I don't like being in the pool alone.
And Mom's too fat to go in the pool.
No, you are not.
Mom's too pregnant to fit into a bathing suit.
You can